Hey guys, Megan here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger not giving you notifications. To begin with, we are going to open the Settings app on our phones. Once we're in Settings, we are going to scroll down to where it says Messenger. So once you get past the first section and into the main apps, they are going to be alphabetized. So it's just a matter of finding it. Here we go. Okay, so once we find Messenger, we are going to tap on it to open this section up. And now we are going to go to Notifications, and we are going to slide the toggle on to allow notifications. And now the notifications are on, and you can actually customize what type of notifications that Messenger sends you. So if you want to be notified on your lock screen, in your notification center, in your banners, if you want the banners to stay on your phone until you actually swipe up to remove it, or if it can just stay. If you want sounds, badges, you can go through and just customize everything, and then Messenger will be giving you notifications. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about what I've done, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.